Dear learners, good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our platform Moodle at Lunis Ali University of Blida in Algeria. Today we are going to present our eighth lecture titled What is a Network Developer? Uh, I have divided my eighth lecture into the following elements as follows. What is a network developer? What are the main types of network programming languages? Language activities including building vocabulary, pronunciation, and grammar. Finally, your assessment including quizzes, tests, and exams. So, what is a network developer? A network developer is responsible for building, developing, and maintaining data networks. They implement computer information networks, optimize existing systems, and troubleshoot issues, ensuring data moves effectively between data centers. What are the main types of network programming languages? Network programming for network engineers and other IT requires use of an array of programming languages and tools such as Python, open source programming language, Java, Perl, Go, etc. Language activities digital certificate as a compound noun in computing means electronic document that is used to prove the identity of a website and ensure that it is safe to use. For example, be sure the site has a valid digital certificate. Finally, please learners, don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, including quizzes, tests, exams. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.